really worth the headache.
Yeah.
You know, if you're making, call it $10,000 at the end of the season, and that you're net profitable, girl.
No idea.
Excuse you, guy.
Sheila is also in the wedding party. She's married to Katie. They're lesbians, very active lesbians who have a semi-third wife.
Current loop video is now locked.
A single white line. No, they don't.
Current loop video is now locked. Current loop video is now locked.
Relax and dance. That's why I didn't want to bother them with questions and stuff. I really don't. But there's some things is it okay? Do we have your permission to put our dresses on?
Current loop video is now locked.
She mentioned it that should be okay. Well, I just want to make sure so I'm not mad at anything. So they're off dancing and they're not even telling us what they want brought in or not out of the vehicles. The only people who packed the damn vehicles were them. Dad didn't pack his car. Yes, we knew what we were bringing in because we packed our truck, which was fine. But their car? Do you want this stuff brought in? What if one of those suitcases were supposed to be left here because it's got flowers in it or something? Nobody knows. Nothing was tagged.
Current loop video is now locked.
To make tea and lemonade and water. It's already been handled.
There was one other thing. There we go. This is from the Secretary of State for immediate release. Tonight, Israel took unilateral action against Iran. We are not involved in strikes against.
We got to be one.
In 1,000 feet, use any lane to take the Fort Pitt Bridge exit.
Current loop video is now locked.
Is protecting American. And remain in close contact with our regional partners. Let me be clear, Iran should not target U.S. interests or personnel, which would be great.
Or else what?
Well, I mean, honestly, if they kill Americans, then Americans should.
Attacks Iran?
Yeah, Israel attacks Iran. Visuals from Tehran. We got some video here. Idiot.
In 1,000 feet,
current loop video is now locked.
Business East, Butler Road.
Other than getting our toilet, like your shampoo and stuff out of the...
Dirty.